Ah, there you go.
We can't throw this out here.
No, there's no garbage here. We said that like 4 times.
There's no rubbish.
Any little. I got, you know, it's like, I've got
Steven.
certain,
What do you think? I don't know.
Danny
Bite?
took your medium size palette,
Look at what Alan is doing.
These all parrots or some of these macaws?
Yeah, you know, it's, that's, I was going to put that.
Yeah, we said that like 10 times.
That's, you know, like they stand out and the other, like,
Pretty.
These people from Washington, D.C., they've been here for 40 years. Frank, these people from Washington, D.C.
My brother and sister.
Are you 4 years old?
Related? She's 3 years.
Wow.
Are you from Chicago too?
Yes.
We're from California. Barney.
and because I just
Barney's
realized
about 30 years old.
Are you 30? What are the highest like?
Not necessarily, no, not the same, 75 to 100 years. He's just passive and he likes to be by himself. He likes quiet.
Yeah.
Because he was raised with someone who did
I bet you
I
laser
don't want
show.
to try to
No,
what I'm doing. 'Cause
So he really doesn't like loud of any kind.
Hey,
He
but
loves
then
to sit
I'm bigger
and
than
listen to
you.
quiet.
You're older though, Steven. She's littler. She's gonna be bigger next year.
Yeah.
Are you enjoying Maui, huh? You've been swimming at the beach, both of you? You have.
very different.
Riding the waves, huh?
Did.
Yeah,
Having fun at the
when
beach?
my daddy went in the water,
Yeah, isn't that fun?
two waves splash mouth. I'm so tired in my mouth.
You need vitamins.
I almost said mouthwash water.
Yeah, that's fun to be at the beach, yeah?
Yeah.
Run over by a wave, get pounded on the sand.
This is going to be.
Pet her. She's soft like a bunny rabbit. Come pet her. Isn't she soft? She's soft and something like on her head.
Steve,
Hold your.
sit on your arm.
Listen to what she says, buddy.
Put your arms like this. You're going to hold her like a baby. She's going to talk to you. You're going to hold her like a baby.
Don't move your arm. You have to keep it steady.
Hold her like a baby. Hold her like a baby. Say hello.
Wow.
Hello. Oh, she told you hello. Oh. She'll bring her up to the face. She'll give you a kiss. She'll give you a kiss.
Give her a kiss out.
Bring her up to the face. She'll give you a kiss.
Go by her. Aww, she's gonna kiss in your nose.
Give me 2 fingers.
She's ready.
Give me 2
Fingers,
fingers.
yeah. And then she'll go on your finger.
That was the only thing that's
Like that.
Hang off your finger. She's going to hang off your finger.
Keep your fingers out.
Okay. Oh, Steve, look at that.
She's going to do an upside down. She's going to do an upside down.
She's doing
She
that.
knows you're tiny because she's close to the ground. Did she hurt you? She didn't mean to. Give another kiss. Give another kiss.
And so,
That's so cute.
well, here, guys, listen, what we're doing here is I let you hold the birds. And
Did you like the bird?
And I shoot your pictures.
She wasn't afraid.
I'll just show you what I'm talking about.
It's my son.
I gotta go, Penny. Okay, I'll call you a little bit later.
I thought they were brother and sister because they almost.
He'll take my picture.
If you want, that's what I do here. I'm a photographer. We let you. Where are you from? Oh, excellent. Oh, there's Demi Moore holding my birds.
No way.
And we got. Oh, here you go. Let me get
Heart sick. I thought, she'd become. One time
I
I
like
get him back to be really dirty and scrawny and hungry.
Come on over here, guys.
He'd been flying and he'd been eating fruit
Here's Demi Moore holding the birds. She's got her G.I. Jane haircut and $70,000 per year diamond earrings.
So he missed me.
Here's Jerry Garcia holding my birds.
Oh, wow.
As he appeared in Rolling Stone magazine. We can let you hold birds like Rob Schneider. Cool. Here we go, good. Hold that bird like this, good.
And they follow you and
stand like this,
very
good.
much you go.
Look at me and smile. Jimmy.
Here.
Oh.
Find them amazing.
There we go, good. Hey, smile. Look at Jimmy. Moani. Good, Moani. Good.
You got my camera, sir.
No, look at me. Look at me. Look at me and smile. Good. Smile. Jimmy. Moani, good. I want you to look at the camera, son. Look right in here. You're looking at the bird. Don't worry. Smile. Look right at the camera. Good. Good one.
Oh, Grandma will love that shot.
The bird turned away that time. Look at me and smile. Good. Moani, put your head down, son. Smile. There we go. Good.
It's Jimmy. Jimmy and Elvis. Baby.
Now. Who else is in there?
What kind of bird is the white one?
That's a Malaccan cockatoo from Indonesia.
Missy, give me the picture, honey. I have to get a picture. Here's him.
Yeah, you gotta get a John.
I'm good. No, I'm good. I'm good on the bird.
Missy, come on, get in here.
You did well. Yeah, I'm proud of you. Yeah, you held that bird like a pro.
Okay,
Now, Rufus. That's funny.
He's having a great time on Maui.
Pretty much.
He's really enjoying it.
Thank you.
Guys.
Where are you folks staying? Are you staying in South Maui or North?
Tanapali.
Oh, North.
Come on.